Hi everywhere, my name is Mikhail Klimarev. First, I would like to take a selfie with you. Okay. Just a moment. I'm the founder of the CEO of VPN Generator. I hope your English can survive mine because I will be testing you patents for the next 10 minutes. Okay. In Russia, I have also been labeled foreign agent, have several criminal cases against me. I've lost count, but it's more than 2. And in August, they even added me to the terrorist list. So sometimes I have to explain in the airport that it's all political motivated from Russia. But now I have a selfie with all of you. Do you remember what I did? And I am so for my terrible English. Так. How it works? Okay. I would like show you timeline of event. First, it's clear that the Russian government was preparing for war and military censorship. Over the past decade, various laws were passed for internet blockage. The most important was Law 90FZ on the sovereign internet, which required every Russian telecoms operator to install DPI on main lines. This installation was funded by the state budget and completed by the end of 2022. After the war began, independent media and social networks were blocked. Next, popular VPN providers began to block by connection points gateways. In August of last year, VPN blocking by a protocol started as WireGuard and OpenVPN began work very poorly. And finally, in August this year, the slowdown, not throttling, of YouTube began. This traffic decline YouTube in Russian. This is evident that YouTube traffic in Russia has dropped this data from Google Transparency Report. Link, I forget link. Okay. The decline in traffic became noticeable in August 2nd. Although reports and users compliance started appearing 2 weeks earlier. I simply averaged Google's data to make it cleaner what percentage the drop was. It turned out to be around 30%, which matches Roskomnadzor official statement. I decided not to show how does the throttling works. There is only one answer, DPI. But I would like to show what throttling actually looks like. Here is open data on 2 popular YouTube channels in Russia. One is politicals, and the other is purely for entertainment. We can see that views of these channels have not decreased. In some cases, they have even increased. Why? I checked the interest Russians have VPN technology. To do this, I used Google Trends and Russians counterpart Yandex.Wordstat. And indeed, whenever something important is blocked in Russia, the number of VPN search goes up several times. Here we see a big increase in search in March 2022 and August 2024. Confirming VPN usage growth. To confirm that the rise of VPN usage among Russians matches the data shown above, I checked traffic statistic on the MSK-AX. On the MSK-AX traffic chart page, and indeed, despite a vacation season, traffic increased by around 20% compared to August last year. I couldn't scrape the data of MSK-AX. This is slightly outdated chart. This updated data, August 23 is missing, but we can see that the traffic growth has not stopped. In October, traffic exceeded the New Year's peak by additional 20%. This is currently the highest record growth, which can only be explained by users massively switching to VPNs that bypass global Google cache servers and connected directly overseas. Conclusion. You can read this conclusion on the screen. You ready? VPN usage growth model. Based in above, I created a model for VPN usage growth among Russians. We cannot measure exactly how many people use VPN service as ineffective in wartime, as people are afraid to answer truthfully. Technical measurement methods are also unusable as protocol, are now used that hide from DPI blocking. Remember that the main protocols, WireGuard, IPsec, and OpenVPN are blocked in Russia. Currently, the most popular VPN protocols are Shadow SOCKS, Outline, and various modifications of Chinese solution based on VLS, Reality. According to this model, we can reasonably assume that about half of Russians is least know how to use a VPN. This makes the censor's efforts largely ineffective. Quite the paradox. How I have listed in all the challenge faced by telecom operators in Russia. No, I don't mean to excuse them of that everything is going wrong. I'll give you some time to read. But do you know what the Russian government did to help the operators? What did they? Right, they banned any increase in tariffs. That's called absolutely storm, maybe. Okay. And I would like, I can't miss the opportunity to show statistics from our project, VPN Generator project. We also demonstrate growth. We've tripled in size over the past 3 months. And yes, we are looking for investor. Send me an email. Screenshots our product, the Key Manager and Android app. Oops. Okay, this one, this slide. We use a multi-protocol approach where protocol complexity increases with each escalation of blocking measures. Sorry. And so briefly explaining it, how it works. Okay, sorry, 10 minutes of shame. Position our products for greater clarity For greater clarity, we position our products as a middle ground between VPN provider and self-hosted VPN. We have simply created a ready-to-use self-hosted VPN and learning how to manage of them and a large scale. What we need right now, IP addresses, maybe you're too lazy to pull from the rack. We can buy outdated system and just fine. We need more location to make it harder to find and block us. In conclusion, I want to show what the community is already doing to reduce censorship worldwide. I'm especially pleased with the launch of ECH. Do you know what about ECH? ECH on Cloudflare and Chromium browser. Also, the publication of RFC 9620 deserves recognition. A big thanks to author of this document. Please take a look at it. And that's all. I'm sorry, I want to be able to answer your question right now. Here are my contact details. If you want to reach out, the QR code to links this presentation. Thank you.